Today I have a very exciting announcement. Just yesterday in the mail I received this package which contains a never before unboxed chess set from iChess1. This prototype right here is the subject of an upcoming Kickstarter campaign. This board is a tournament-sized wooden, electronic, and foldable chess set. So all of its Staunton 5 tournament wooden chess pieces are stored on the inside of the board. This chessboard comes with a mobile phone stand, a USB cable, a pen, and 2 extra queens along with the full chess set. Coming up very soon, I will be unboxing this chessboard right here and will be experimenting with its online connection capabilities. If you don't know what a Kickstarter campaign is, it's basically a platform where small and up-and-coming companies can share their inventions or products with the world and fundraise to further build their company and construct their first product run. It is important to note that according to Kickstarter, backers must understand that Kickstarter is not a store. When you back a project on Kickstarter, you're helping to create something new, not pre-ordering something that already exists. And the same thing applies with this product here. This is not currently a marketed product, but they are fundraising with the hopes that they will very soon begin shipping out these chessboards to chess lovers all around the world. Now I must issue a quick disclaimer in saying that because there is risk involved with any crowdfunded websites, please do your due diligence and do some research into the companies that you choose to back on Kickstarter or any other crowdfunded websites. Always make sure you know what you're getting into. If you'd like some more information about this Kickstarter program or about how the website as a whole works, go ahead and use the links in the description of this video. That will give you some idea of the platform that iChess1 is using to promote their chessboard. So what exactly is the iChess1? Well, the iChess1 is the world's first foldable electronic chessboard. Because the eChessboard can be folded in half, it is highly portable. The wooden pieces are stored inside along with a phone stand, USB cable, pen, and 2 extra queens that are all stored on the inside of the chessboard. The chess set comes with hand-carved wooden Staunton 5 chess pieces that are FIDE approved. The chess pieces and 2 extra queens, along with the mobile phone stand, the USB cable, and the pen are all stored on the inside of the board, making the iChess1 highly portable and can be taken anywhere you go to play chess. The iChess1 is equipped with invisible LEDs that are RGB capable, which are hidden within the surface of the board. The squares are also 50 centimeters by 50 centimeters, which is the FIDE approved tournament standard size. If you are interested in backing this Kickstarter campaign, iChess1 is offering anyone who watches this video and uses the link in the description of the video a 45% off discount off of the regular price for this chessboard. Simply use the link in the description of the video and that will get you started. If you don't want to miss the unboxing of the world's first foldable electronic chess set, make sure you subscribe to this channel, tap the bell icon, and set notifications to all notifications. That way you won't miss the unboxing video when it is released. Be sure to click the video on the screen right now to watch me unbox the world's first foldable electronic chessboard. I'll see you there.